In this video, I'll be doing an oil change on my Azusa mini bike. I already tilted it up, and there's an oil screw at the back, which I can't get to. It's all the way back there. And there's one in the front, so I figured that the front one would be way much easier. I just tilted the bike up. You would need a 10mm wrench to unscrew this bolt right here, right there. Once you do that, just take out the bolt. After all of that leaks out like this, I like to tilt the bike even more. So just get it by the back and tilt it up even more so all of it gets out. After we did that, all the oil is drained. You can go ahead and put back the bolt and make sure you tighten it, because you don't want this bolt flying out while you're riding. And I found out also, I already put back the bolt, so when you use this side of the wrench, it didn't really untighten it, so I had to use this side and it worked perfectly. So yeah, you just have to clean everything around it, put the bolt all nice and snug. Recycle this oil, and the oil that I'll be using is this motor oil 10W30. It's like a little bit more than half in here. I'll have to pour it little by little and look at the oil stick and pour the correct amount. So now all you need is some kind of rag and a funnel. Make sure it's clean inside, and your oil. So now you have to unscrew this orange cap right here that says oil. And make sure your bike is straight, not leaned over. Put your funnel inside and put in the oil. After you check everything, clean everything up, make sure everything is tight and nice, you're done with the oil change. I'll get the bike started right now and see how it sounds like. The bike sounds all nice, and I want to tell you one more thing. Make sure you do these oil changes every 2 to 4 months, so your bike will be nice and last longer. Make sure you add the correct oil, the correct amount. And thanks for watching, and please leave a like.